Hey guys, Miss Sanders here. I just wanted to make a quick tutorial to show you how to access Illuminate via Classlink. Illuminate is the application we will be using to administer quizzes and tests during this universal remote period. First thing you're going to do is you're going to launch a browser. I am on Google Chrome, and you are going to sign into Classlink. If Classlink does not come up as your homepage, I made an additional video about how to add it to your bookmarks bar. It's really easy for quick access. So first, launch a browser, sign into Classlink. You're going to scroll down, and you're going to find the app called Illuminate. Mine says staff because I have the teacher versions. Yours should say student. You'll click on the application. Classlink's really good because it'll automatically log you in. You don't have to re-log in if you access it through that launchpad. This won't be your first page, so ignore this. I have a teacher version, like I said. The first thing that should come up for you guys is your list of assessments to take. So there will be a list of assessments. So whatever assessment you're supposed to take, you'll click on the name of that and you'll be able to take it. My class is going to do a practice assessment, which will let you fill in answers and practice just using the software, see how it functions. We'll do that the first week of school. This is what the test will look like whenever you take it. It'll be a PDF document on the left and then a Scantron on the right for you to record your answers. So we are going to practice doing this in class. I just wanted to show you how to access tests and quizzes through Illuminate. I hope this helps. Remember, just go to the assessment that you're needing to take, click on the name of the assessment, and it should let you log in and begin. I hope this helps.